Everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Excuse me, this is Donna Smith Wilson, and this is Planning with Donna Smith Wilson. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, consider liking and subscribing my videos, and to all of my returning subscribers, welcome back, and thank you for your continued support. Today I have an April monthly spread in my my brain just went completely blank. In my dashboard planner for the month of April 2021, I have taken the liberty of pre-pulling some stickers from Happy Memory Keeping Dates and Holidays, pressed florals, and colorful florals. All right, so let's get started. And you know me, as usual, I like to keep it simple, and I have done some pre-pulling, trying to make it easy. So let's get started. I want to start down here in the corner. I love this little camera. Been wanting to use it for a while. So what better time than now? So I just wanted this to be vibrant and full of color, and just, I love it. I just love it. So I'm going to put this down here in this corner. There we go. Because you have this empty box, and you know, my Fridays are pretty much I can do whatever. And so then we're going to not forget our dates that I need to remember throughout the month of April, which is going to be, of course, tax day. That's always fun. Not really. Yeah. Who likes to pay taxes? Anybody? So let me pull this up just a little bit. Move it just a little bit. Close enough. There's tax day. And then I'm going to go ahead and put down the Good Friday on the 2nd, because I doubt seriously in this area that we are going to be having any school. And as you all know, I do a lot of running for my grandchildren. So I definitely want that on there, so I know that I need to be watching for that date. And then I love these little half circles. I just think they're so cute. Just to mark, you know, the holidays. And then we're going to move over here. And I didn't want to get too nutty, like with bunny rabbits and all that stuff, because I'm just not a big person. I mean, because to me, Easter is not about rabbits. Just saying. I mean, they're cute, and it's nice to have these cute little spreads, but, you know, I'm just being me, and I don't really care about all that. So, I'm going to make sure that I leave enough room. I'm just going to put Mr. Little Rabbit right here. If I would quit separating the paper, might be all right. I'm just going to leave that like that. And I'm going to leave that like that for a reason. I have a birthday that I want to remember. It's my ex-sister-in-law, but, you know, she still has a birthday. And to me, she's still my sister-in-law. So I want to remember her birthday. And then I'm trying to mimic here what I pulled for on this side. I tried for balance. That's why I said, let me see if I'm going to be able to fit all this on here the right way without making it look all crowded. So let's do that like so, because I feel like I need to move this over a little bit. That's why I didn't want to stick it down, like permanently adhere it to the page, because I've been trying to learn from my mistakes. Do not do that, because the problem is you have to pull it up and then it's like, okay, I've just ruined the spread. So I'm going to move this so it's not so jumbled. And like I've told you guys before, I do apologize for my phone. My mom is not doing too good right now. She's having some issues and she's in the hospital, and it's just, I can't turn my phone off. And if you are anything like me, you probably get 25 to 30 telemarketing calls a day. And I've had this conversation in other videos, and it's just, it is what it is. You know, they're not going to stop calling, and I can't turn off my phone. So I think that looks a little better, getting that up off the page there instead of having all that down here on the same level. I don't know what you guys think about that, but I think it's a little less crowded looking. I'm liking that better. I'm going to go ahead and put down my my days off stickers. And I don't work on Tuesdays. And I think these just sort of look like little Easter eggs. These pretty bright, vibrant colors. I use the word vibrant a lot. I've noticed that whenever I watch my videos back. And I've had a couple boo-boos in a couple of my videos recently. And if you've watched them, you know, I do apologize for that. Let's put, where's it at? Oh, I almost said, let's put baby in a corner. Oh, one of my favorite movies of all time. Let's just put that like that. How's that? There. All right. Now we're going to, of course, go ahead and decorate the Easter area here. I love, one of my favorite things about the spring decorating on the spreads is the little rain boots. Like, I'm just in love with the rain boots. I am going to just take that and ever so quickly, and I want to do this one too. And I'll just take a white and get right against there. But let me get, I've got all this stuck down. There we go. I want to flip it upside down and put down my Easter sticker. It's early this year. So there's that. And we'll flip it back around and get her all lined up again. Make sure I'm in frame. I love that. I think that's just so cute and so vibrant. See? Just said it again. Told y'all. All right. So, share with me. What do you do? What is your celebration for the upcoming holiday? Now, Passover. That's not going to go there. Passover's the weekend before. Okay, so we'll leave that. All right, now, I wanted to bring out, get this off the page. No rain, no flowers. I wanted something that would, you know, accent the fact that, you know, April showers bring May flowers. So I really did think that this sticker was seriously appropriate. All right, so let me know what you all do. Do you dye Easter eggs with your kids, your grandkids? Do you even celebrate Easter? Do you have a big dinner? Do you go to church? If not, you know, do you just, whatever you do, just share in the comments below. I would really like to know what you do for this holiday. Now this I just went a little crazy. Instead of writing in, I wanted to use some of my items that's in the sticker books already. And I just thought that that made it super cute. So I was going to use this right here, but I don't think that's going to look right. And I don't think there's enough space. So let's make sure we're in frame. And I'm going to share with you again the sticker books. And me and my chair's going to fight today. I don't like how that's got that right against there. Let's see if I can get that off of there. There. I don't want that little edge. All right. What do you guys think? This is my April monthly spread in my classic dashboard for the month of April 2021. And I hope that you guys are as excited as I am that today, see, I hate the way that cut that off. Oh, well. Today is the first day of spring. So here it got a little bit cold, actually. And, I mean, not like frigid, but it was so warm last week. And now this week it's not so much. And it got cold enough that my heat kicked on last night. So, just so you know. See, I just wanted to keep the stuff marked that to me needed to be marked. And I love that I put, you know, dot eggs, play in the rain, play in the garden, and my mani-pedi. And that is something I'm going to treat myself to this year for sure. Let's take this and just get against that. I didn't like that white showing there. That looks better. I think that's cute. I'm loving it, guys. I love that it looks like a big old page full of flowers and Easter eggs. And with this spread, I used colorful florals. I used some items out of the pressed florals. And I used some items out of memory keeping dates and holidays. And I actually do think I used some things out of the best year ever. So, if you like this spread, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my planner content, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever I post a new video. Here lately, I've been trying to put up a video every day to build my channel, but my promised days to put videos up is Saturday and Sunday. So know that there's a lot of bonus videos out there. All right, guys, have a blessed rest of your weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody.